Hello, and thank you for tuning in to our Markets at a Glance update for August. Stocks once again rose as investors were encouraged by Federal Reserve comments and strong second quarter earnings. The S&P 500 gained 3%, marking its seventh consecutive monthly gain. International stocks in developed and developing countries gained 1.8% and 2.4% respectively. Elsewhere, economic signals were mixed amid concerns about the Delta variant of COVID-19. Consumer confidence plummeted in August, reaching its lowest reading since December 2011. Likewise, the U.S. economy added just 235,000 jobs for the month, which fell well short of most economists' estimates. Inflation measures in the U.S. remained elevated, and the Consumer Price Index for July recorded a 5.4% year-over-year increase in prices, matching the June figure. Let's take a closer look at CPI figures in our chart of the month. Here, we can see CPI inflation in several advanced economies dating back to the beginning of 2020. As we can see, inflation has recently increased in most of these countries, with the US recording the highest inflation rate among developed economies. This brings us back to recent comments from our Federal Reserve. In August, central bank officials reiterated that current inflation is likely transitory or temporary, and primarily due to rising prices in a narrow group of goods and services impacted by supply shortages. In some non-economic news, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration granted formal approval to the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine, which should lift vaccination numbers. The world's attention was also drawn to Afghanistan in August. The U.S. completed its withdrawal from the country following 20 years of conflict. More than 6,000 U.S. citizens and 123,000 others were evacuated, and many businesses and individuals in the U.S. are supporting Afghan refugees who fled after the Taliban took over the government. To read more about all of this news and how it affected August fund performance, please check out our latest monthly investment report, which is now live on our website.